Hello everyone, and thanks for joining us for this quick road assessment of Lauder Road. Today we'll take a deep dive into the current condition of Lauder Road. We'll examine all potential problems and uncover any likely issues that you may face as you travel on Lauder Road. Without further delay, let's dive in. Lauder Road is in good condition. However, the cracks you see here have become increasingly noticeable and are beginning to impact driving conditions for many drivers. These surface fractures, varying in width and depth, can cause uneven traction and discomfort for motorists, especially at higher speeds. Over time, if left unrepaired, the cracks can widen and potentially lead to large potholes and pose a risk to vehicle suspension systems and tire wear. Also, the absence of an appropriate road shoulder and the presence of a ditch along this stretch of Lauder Road create potential safety hazards for drivers. Without a proper road shoulder, there is little to no room for error, and some vehicles may drift slightly off the pavement and risk dropping directly into the ditch. This makes it especially dangerous for larger vehicles, cyclists, or anyone needing to pull over in an emergency. The lack of a buffer zone also limits space for pedestrians. Moreover, the automobiles parked alongside this portion of Lauder Road may create significant challenges for both drivers and pedestrians. The reduced roadway width forces vehicles to slow down or swerve into the opposite lane, increasing the risk of collisions, especially on curves or in areas with limited visibility. For emergency vehicles, passage can be severely restricted in delaying response times. Pedestrians may also be forced to walk closer to traffic due to blocked passages and walking zones. Also, the skid marks on Lauder Road may be a strong indicator of sudden or aggressive braking, often suggesting that a driver had to react quickly to avoid a collision or lost control of their vehicle. Or the skid marks here may point to frequent speeding, poor visibility, or problematic road conditions in the area. In some cases, the skid marks can also be evidence of recent accidents or reckless driving behavior. Repeated skid marks in the same location could highlight a persistent safety issue. Furthermore, Lauder Road is prone to flooding. During heavy rain, water can quickly accumulate on many areas of Lauder Road, making the road difficult or even impossible to navigate. Flooded conditions reduce traction, obscure hazards like potholes or debris, and increase the risk of vehicle damage or accidents. Houston is on track to become the most populated city in America within the next 50 to 75 years, according to multiple projections. With this explosive growth comes massive changes to its already sprawling transportation network. Studying Houston's roads today offers a rare opportunity to observe how a major urban highway and street system evolves in real time. You get a glimpse into how Houston manages congestion to adopting new technologies like autonomous transit and smart infrastructure. Whether you're an urban planner, civil engineer, or just a curious observer, Houston is a living laboratory for the future of mobility in America. For instance, there are signs posted on Lauder Road informing drivers to look out for slow-moving vehicles like this truck ahead. When vehicles such as this truck ahead travel well below the posted speed limit, they can disrupt the natural flow of traffic, leading to sudden braking, tailgating, or risky passing maneuvers by impatient drivers. This can increase the likelihood of rear-end collisions or head-on crashes, particularly on roads traveled by super busy Houston drivers. Watch out for road debris such as this log. Hopefully the log will be removed soon. Did you know Houston, Texas is home to the widest freeway in the world? A section of Interstate 10 in Houston near the Galleria stretches up to 26 lanes wide. The lanes include the main lanes, the frontage roads, the HOV lanes, and toll lanes. For the most part, Lauder Road remains a road in good condition. However, it may be best for drivers to be vigilant while traveling on Lauder Road. The road has become noticeably affected by road grime, muddy patches, and various aesthetic blemishes that detract from both its appearance and functionality. Accumulated dirt and mud can make the surface slick, reducing tire traction and increasing the risk of skidding, especially during or after rain. These conditions also contribute to a generally neglected look, which can leave a poor impression on residents and visitors alike. Patches of oil stains, scattered debris, and uneven coloring add to the worn-out appearance in some areas of Lauder Drive, which signals a need for routine cleaning and maintenance to restore both safety and curb appeal.
Please keep in mind to check the trip channel before you travel to your next destination. The trip channel will help you plan smarter, safer routes. By checking the trip channel regularly, you can avoid rough or blocked roads, adjust your timing, and prepare for any challenges ahead. A few minutes of planning can save hours of frustration and help keep you and your passengers safe on every trip. Also, the trip channel isn't just for planning. It's also a great way to reconnect with streets you know and love, whether it's the route you took to school, the road to your favorite diner, or that scenic stretch you once drove at sunset. The trip channel lets you see what's changed and what stayed the same. Take a moment to reminisce and explore familiar paths from a fresh perspective. Sometimes the best trips are the ones down memory lane. And by the way, if there is a street that you want us to assess, please mention it in the comments section on this video. If you enjoy this video and find its content helpful, please hit the like button. We would appreciate it very much. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell for more upcoming road assessments. If we haven't been in your town yet, we will be very soon. Thank you for watching the Trip Channel.